Emr, and welcome to Cooking from the Heart Dining Out. Today we're at the Vanguard Brewpub Distillery checking out some amazing food combinations. And I'm here with Amelia Emr, their head of operations. Amelia, what is this beautiful dish we have in front of us?
Well, these are our fish tacos. We also have shrimp tacos, but these are personally my favorite. They are beer battered with our house Caiseal beer, and they are made with cod. We perfectly pair them with our street corn. It has cotija cheese on it. Super yummy, super light and refreshing for a hot summer day.
Oh, that sounds delicious, and they smell
So good.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dive in.
They're gonna be amazing.
What are we drinking them with?
So this is one of my favorite beers. We brew it every once in a while. It's our double snap guns. So it's a play on our, double snap guns. It's a play on our initial snap guns, our normal IPA that we do and we have on tap all the time. This is just a bigger version. It's a double IPA. It's got Citra, Simcoe, and Chinook hops, so it's very juicy. Pineapple and orange juice forward. It's gonna be a bigger punch. It's about 10.5% ABV, so sip carefully, but it's delicious.
That's a big punch.
It's a big beer.
So you wanna really take your time with this.
Absolutely.
But you've got some protein and the alcohol.
Yeah, it pairs really well with the fish because of the light summery flavor.
And what else, like how do they work together, the flavors?
They work together. That pineapple and that orange juice is gonna play off of the beer batter. It's gonna lighten it up for you and create that balance with the kind of unctuousness of the fish taco.
Now, does this also pair well with the street corn?
Absolutely. All the fresh flavors in there, all the fresh chopped vegetables, it's really delicious and it's gonna really complement those fruit flavors.
And I love it because you've got some good omegas in the fish, you've got some nutrition, you've got a nice light dinner with a nice punch to it.
Got your fruit, got your protein, and got your beer. So it's the trifecta. It's good.
But you've heard it from the expert, and I completely agree. For more fantastic food and drink pairings, come to the Vanguard. They will set you up. And we'll see you next time on Cooking from the Heart Dining Out.